Hello and welcome back to Gapeys garden. We're hiding out in the greenhouse today. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it is raining pretty hard right now and it's pretty chilly. So what we're doing in the greenhouse today is taking a look at our big and tall peppers. So ChilliChump is doing another pepper contest this year. And last year, if you didn't see it, I entered his contest for the biggest poblano pepper. You can see that video up here if you missed it. And this year he's doing a different contest called Big and Tall. So what you do is enter your biggest and or tallest pepper that you grew, and the biggest and tallest one wins. So today we're going to be harvesting one of those and weighing it in for the contest. There was no question at all which pepper I was going to use to enter the contest. This is the Aconcagua sweet pepper. So it is a very large, kind of a horn, sweet horn type pepper. But the pods are super big and very heavy. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest one of these for the contest and give it away. All right, before we do our weigh-in, there's one more thing we need to do. So per the rules, we need to remove the stem. So hopefully I can get that removed without too much trouble. That wasn't too bad. All right, stem removed. Now we can do our weigh. And this is in grams. We've got 283.4 grams. Now, one more thing we want to do is cut this in half. And then weigh it again. And we're at 283.2. So not a bad weigh-in. So we're going to go ahead and see how long it is. I think you can either enter the weight or the length, but we'll go ahead and see how long it is too. Got our Stanley tape measure here. So we're looking at around about 8.5 inches long. Yeah, 8.5 inches long. So we'll go ahead and enter that into the contest and I'll let you know if we win. Thanks for watching and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.